Good day once again, everyone, and you are welcome to Mathematics Solution Center. Today, we are going to be looking at a question that says the bearings of P and Q from a common point N are 020 degrees and 300 degrees, respectively. If P and Q are also equidistant from N, find the bearing of P from Q. We have 3 points, N, P, and then Q. The bearing of P from N is 020 degrees, while the bearing of Q from N is 300 degrees. These bearings are given in 3-digit bearing. But take note of something: when you are giving your bearing in 3-digit bearing, you have to follow two principles. Number one is that all measurements start from the north, and you take your measurement in a clockwise direction, but not in the other way around. We are going to locate these points and sketch them in the appropriate way. This is the north. I am going to draw a line from point N going to point P. The angle here is actually 20 degrees. Therefore, this is my point P. And don't forget that the angle here is also 20 degrees, because angle 20 here, the angle here is alternate to the angle here. Alternate angles are equal. Let's locate point Q. The bearing of point Q from N is 300 degrees. Don't forget, we are to start our measurement from the North Pole. If I should move from here to here, I've moved 90. From here to here, 90, 180, 270, 300 will be in between here. Now, let's draw a line starting from the point of intersection of the north-south and the east-west line, like that. If moving from the North Pole to this line is 300 degrees, what will be the angle remaining here to complete 360? Is going to be 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And don't forget that that 60 degrees is also equal to the angle here, because the angle here is alternate to the angle here. Alternate angles are equal. The question now is, what is the bearing of P from Q? I will draw a line from P to Q, or from Q to P. This is our diagram, but don't forget the question says that point P and point Q are equidistant from point N. If P and Q are equidistant from point N, what that simply means is that Pn is equal to Qn. And if we have that, it means that we have what is called an isosceles triangle. The base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Let's call here alpha. Definitely here will also be equal to alpha. Let's extract our triangle from the diagram we have. The total angle here is going to be equal to 20 plus 60. This is 20 degrees here. And this is 60 degrees. Therefore, the total angle here is going to be 80. 20 plus 60, 80. Here is alpha, and here is alpha. Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. Alpha plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 2 alpha plus 80 degrees is equal to 180. Therefore, 2 alpha is equal to 180 minus 80 degrees. Then we have 2 alpha is equal to 100 degrees. Divide both sides by 2, alpha is equal to 50 degrees. If alpha is equal to 50 degrees, the question says we should calculate the bearing of P from Q. The bearing of P from Q will be the angle between the North Pole and the line connecting P and Q. The angle connecting the North Pole and the line connecting P and Q. Let's call the angle theta. But take a look at angle theta. Angle theta plus angle alpha plus angle 60 must give me 180. Therefore, we have theta plus alpha plus 60 degrees is equal to 180. Theta plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees because our alpha is actually 50 degrees. Therefore, we have theta plus 50 degrees and plus and 60 degrees. We have 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 70 degrees. The correct option is option B, 70 degrees, the bearing of P from Q. Thanks for watching. We have come to the end of this tutorial. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly do it now, and don't forget to like and share the video. At the same time, put on the notification button so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thanks and remain blessed.